video.
Yeah.
I roast one to cook up some fish, you know.
Alright then.
Yeah, nice. I cook up fish with him. Okay, I saw fish.
Alright then, man.
Where is the nice lady? I hear some of them. Right on top here.
Alright then.
Can I walk up and come over?
Yeah, man.
What about this?
Alright, so here at Yam Park in Manchester. Officially. Alright.
Yeah, roast them.
You can try that.
Sunshine,
Yeah. Can I grab some of the sweet potato?
No sweet potato. Can I come in there, right, brother?
Yeah, man, you can come in.
Alright, cool. So what your name is General? Philip, alright. So we're there, Philip, stop right now. Proper roast yam.
You want butter and yam?
Yeah, man. So anytime you know in Manchester.
Shop here, Philip.
Shop 8 Philip. See it here? So you have the saltfish here. What type of yam this, boss?
You know, should roll it there, bro.
Rolling here. So definitely check out Philip shop anytime you pass through Manchester, and these are the best roast yam spot in Jamaica, you get me? Good for Marie.
Roast yam, guys, beauty.
Yeah.
Here you go.
And this is the Aki. Yes. Yeah. You have the card, my boss? You have the card?
Yeah.
Alright. How much is your card?
150, I can't 100.
Alright, give me a 150 card. Alright, yeah, so you have the card. Well, nice and proper.
With no meat.
Yeah. So give me a 100 up here. $100. Alright, one.
Yes, man.
Alright, you can cut it up for me, just slice it up, respect. Alright, my boss.
PP, man, can we just have me just change it, yeah?
Alright, then cool. How much is soup? How much is?
150, yeah.
Alright, man, just work with the can then. What's the name again, my boss?
Rupert, you know.
Rupert,
Yeah,
General.
man.
Alright then.
Rasta. Come like it, you know.
Alright then, Rupert.
Yeah, the Rasta, you roast breadfruit, roast yam,
Yeah?
roast potato, ackee and saltfish.
See it there?
Yeah, man. Then the papaya go on that up.
Alright then, so bless up.
See season, yeah.
Well cut up.
Yeah, man, well cut up.
You see it, no
Yeah,
powder
man.
seasoning.
No
to the
powder
thing.
season, no powder season.
Straight height always. So,
Yeah, man. See?
big up here,
Yeah,
Rupert.
bless up, my brother.
Alright then, my boss. Number 8.
Shop here, man. Philip.
Alright, Philip. Alright, and what's your name, miss?
Yeah, Michelle.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm shop.
Alright then, Michelle.
Maybe you want to try and speak.
Alright then, Michelle. Take it.